It's so defiant. Where's your appliance? Take a knife hits before we go to the show. Try it.
Yeah, you don't wanna try it. It's because we freestyle on the all rap diet. This is just science, but let me show you the math. And I'm just flexing. Let me show you my ass. Let me show you the fact. My glass is full. I ain't even talking half, cause I'm back for more. I've been doing this shit. Let me bag the draw. And I can show you how to bag your hoe, cause you don't do it right. But yeah, we do it tight, like every single night. So when you see me, yeah, you call me Screwing Mike, because I'ma screw them all like a light into a socket. I got a lot of lights up in my pocket, and I'm scratching, cause I need that money. It ain't funny, so don't play me like a dummy, cause your first name ain't Doug. You don't wear a vest, but you can see that I be here, and I'm about to rep Tri-Cities, and I got my crew with me. We do it so swiftly, break it down so quickly. Yeah, I cook that dough up, watch the bread break, trying to drink water for my headache, because I go on stage in just a couple minutes. But fuck it, dude, it's finished. Let me get into it, spit some sick lyrics, cause the difference between me and these other dudes, they fucking rude. I'm coming through, and when I show you all what I'm done, I'm gonna do everything that you don't even know about. I show you all how to close your mouth.
Yo, show you how to close your mouth. Close a cloud like a cloud surrounding. Cause you know I'm rebounding. Motherfuckers astounding. Yo, we bet the rhyme shit. Motherfuckers is clowning. Straight off the rhyme flow. The rhyme scheme Bazine. Yo, I need eyes, bro. So I can see straight up clean. Because you know that these flows be straight up mean. I'm gonna find serene landscapes and handshakes. These motherfuckers don't know I stand straight. The mandrake, the man's dark. Yo, because he stands hard. These motherfuckers don't know I'm gonna rip them apart. Yo, check it. Check it.
Yeah, alright. I like to rap about titties and kitties, but only if we freestyle deep the Tri-Cities. Y'all make the road trip. Oh shit, you know this. Yo, can't shoot bullets with a closed clip. Oh no, my nose is whiter than white can get. Oh man, oh shit, Zach a rap whiter than the summoning snowman. Hey, not for horses, of course this is the best Zach rap, even if a dead corpse is what I am tonight. Right, no Halloween, but it's frightening. That's right, it's Zach, and I'll flash white skin like lightning. Shit, no stopping. Yeah, I gotta cop this dub set right now. I got to run back to the bar. Got a beer, still that bitch half full. Yo, but my bowl still half full too, dude. And it's smelling like Pepe Le Pew do in the butthole. Oh shit, yo, got a whole sip talking doo doo. Yo, I'm gonna put a curse on him, call it voodoo. So who knew when I cruise through when the dope blue is Suzu? My crew does the thing that you ain't used to, because we from that new school, but keep it old school. I told you that I am quick to fold foods up like yesterday's paper, cause they old news. And you know, no dude, cruise with my whole crew, cruise control, so let the hoes choose who they wanna go home with. My grown dick, type to bone quick and then throw her in the foam pit, cause it's a party, right? We just having fun, stupid. We to it.
Stupid!